Morning lingers on the leaves. The little gate still bears your name. The breeze forgets which way you went, but knows the way to me. The ivy climbs the garden wall, as quiet as the passing years. The kettle hums beside the fire and warms the waiting air. Beyond the hills I chase the rain, through winding valleys drawing near. The river's carried echoes home, until your voice was clear. I kept the dawn inside my coat, a little light for colder days. It rested softly by my heart and never lost its way. If morning always finds the fields and rivers find the quiet sea, I'll trust the road to bring you home, to find me waiting. Meet me where the willow bends. I've been there with every dawn. Walk beside the quiet stream, like the years have never gone. Lantern light and drifting leaves carry all we couldn't say. If tomorrow calls us home, we'll answer in the same old way. The window holds a little gold before the evening slips away. The sparrows borrow threads of light to weave another day. The old stone path remembers rain. The roses breathe without a sound. Somewhere in the gentle hush, your footsteps still remain. The meadow open like a song. The willows bowed above the creek. Every mile grew small enough to hold the words I'd keep. The chimney drew a line of smoke into the pale and amber blue. And long before I reached the lane, I somehow knew it was you. I knew you'd come. I saw the light. I've waited so long. I found my way. Hearts wander far from home, only to remember where they bloom. Take this quiet road with me, where the seasons drift so slow. Every hill has brought me here, where the little wildflowers grow. When the amber windows shine and the swallows circle low, we've crossed, home was waiting all along.